Welcome to day 5 of the 14-day challenge. If you missed any previous day, go check out our YouTube playlist to make sure you're up to date. Today, we're designing your very first personal pendant. In this lesson, you'll learn how to easily put together a pendant design and take your customization skills to the next level using powerful tools like warping. Let's start by importing today's components. First, I'm gonna get a round roller chain with the round link in yellow gold. I am scaling the chain down and positioning it on the design space. Next, I'm taking an oval metal sheet. Today we'll learn how to modify the shape of this sheet to make it organic using the warp tool. So in the editing mode, at the bottom right, choose warp and then select advanced mesh on the bottom left to have more control points over the movement of the metal. By dragging the blue dots, you can modify and model the shape of the metal while keeping its rendering. Modify the shape into your preferred organic shape medallion. To customize this medallion further, we will apply an engravable letter on it. I will go to the Engravable Letters kit and import my initial N. You can choose your own initial. Once you place the initial on the metal, the engraved visual effect will show. Place a link on the metal charm and attach it to the chain. Next, I will spread a few links on the chain to attach some gemstones on them. I will bring in a round brilliant diamond, which is my birthstone, and a few colored pear gemstones. Next, I'm importing two bezels, the round and the pear, to set the stones in. All there's left to do is setting the stones in bezels and spreading them on the links across the chain. Feel free to let your creative juices flow here and design different charms, choose different colors and shapes to create your charm necklace. That's it for day 5. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you out. Let's keep improving together in day 6.